What's up? I did a mini haul on I'm doing a mini haul on how to shop healthy cost efficiently. I like to eat good, but I also like to watch my diet, so I'm gonna just show you what I did today. Grocery shopping, I spent about $34 and I got a variety of things. Not necessarily everything is super healthy, but in moderation. I feel like you can kind of eat what you want as long as you're working out and getting your main nutrients from healthy food. If you throw some like cereal or something in the mix, it's really not a big deal. So thanks for tuning into my channel. This is all very new to me and I am just trial and erroring my content right now, if that makes sense. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and then give me some tips, pointers, what you want to see from me in the comment section. So see you later. So I haven't decided if I'll be doing a voiceover to this or if I'll just upload the video and edit it. We've got some brown rice, ready make. It comes out soft and moist even though it's microwavable, and it only takes 90 seconds, about $1.50 per package. Then I love pasta, but when I do my pasta, I tend to get the veggie kind. I just feel like, why not? It's carbs, but you get that veggie portion there. I got some frozen peas. They last longer, even though I'm probably gonna use them all right now. I'm actually gonna throw them in the pasta. I've got a jar of classical fire roasted tomato and garlic. Love this. Then I got some black beans, organic, trying to do that. It's only 92 cents, so it wasn't so bad. Then I also got some organic garbanzo beans. So the garbanzo beans are gonna go into the pasta, and then the black beans I'm gonna do like some Mexican food. Well, not Mexican, but whatever, you know what I'm saying. Then I got some 4-cheese Mexican blend, Sargento, so boom. And then I got some ground turkey. It's a multi-purpose. I usually don't get this big thing of turkey. It's 48 ounces. I usually get the 16 ounce, but I'm gonna use a ground turkey to go with like my little Mexican dish. It's gonna be the brown rice, the black beans, the ground turkey. I'm gonna season it with, salt, pepper, maybe some Spanish seasonings, and then the 4-cheese blend I'll put atop of that. I actually forgot to get spinach because I was gonna get spinach with that because the person that inspired me to make this dish had spinach with theirs, but no spinach. Okay, and then like I told you, some snacks. I love cereal. I'm a late night eater. I like to eat my cereal before bed, and then 1% milk. I know we don't as humans we don't have to drink cow milk, but I always love milk. Like I actually love whole milk, but it's not as healthy as getting like 1%, so gotta have my milk. And then these bad boys right here are the Blue Diamond almonds. The habanero barbecue, also a new find of mine. This is actually like $7, so when I scanned it I was like, that's expensive, but they are so good. I recommend them. And yeah, that's it. This will probably last me about a week. I think, well, I'll update you on that because I'm honestly not quite sure. Sometimes I eat more, sometimes I eat less. It just depends if I'm eating all my meals that I prep, or if I have some meals out, like if I go to dinner with a friend or lunch with a colleague or something like that. So that really depends on whether or not the food will last long. But yeah, about $34, and it's pretty healthy as you can see, and it's gonna be tasty. I'll try to include some clips of the finished product on the 2 main dishes that I said I would be making. Oops. That is a lot of turkey, but that's what we used. I'm not even gonna give you measurements. Just season according to taste, and obviously if you're trying to be healthy, the less salt, the more garlic, the better. But I ain't judging nobody. You season it how you wanna. I did pepper already. Do some garlic powder. I like Sandra semi-homemade. Makes my food come out really good, but some from scratch and some from semi-homemade. I love this seasoning. It's for chicken. It's called Pit Boss. It's pretty good, but I don't really care what it says it's for. I put it with what I want. A lot. Now I'm gonna cook it. Okay, so do you remember when I said I was gonna use the garbanzo beans for one dish and then the black beans for another dish? I changed my mind, and I'm gonna just put both cans in to cook with the turkey. And then when I separate the portions of turkey for between the Mexican dish and the pasta dish, I feel like I just want both beans at all times. Boom. Don't be afraid of beans. You know. There's people that they don't like beans. You're like, I don't want to have gas. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of gas. It's probably mixing it. All throughout with the turkey. Ooh. I could probably even like take the turkey and the beans, since they're all mixed together, and make like patties, and then you can like have turkey bean patty. That sounds good. Someone's gonna make it and market it right after this video goes live. They're gonna be like, perfect. That's what it looks like that. While the turkey cooks, I'm going to boil some water. I use olive oil and salt to get the water ready. So good. If you're like me, I recommend portioning it out because I could eat the whole damn bag right now. Okay. And then I'll just be like, I spent $8, $7 on these damn almonds and I ate them all. And even though they're good, it's a good fat and almonds and protein, but I can't be eating a whole bag. So portion it out. So now that I've brought this to a nice cooking state, I guess you would call it, I'm actually gonna add the snow peas to it too. And then I did put the noodles. They're actually returning to boil. So, you're gonna want to stir it to get it all together. Got a lot of colors going on in there. Bam! Noodles are cooked in. You cook them according to your preference. I like them to be al dente. That means a little chewy. Yeah. Then I dump this in there. Boom. So what I decided to do, have that. This is still cooking. And then I'm gonna portion out the turkey into that. And then the rest of the turkey that I don't use in that. When I decide to make this rice, and I can just portion the turkey with the rice. And then boom, that's why I have 2 dishes and only use 2 pots. So this is the separation of the turkey and beans and peas that I will later portion out into different containers with the brown rice in that. And then possibly just throw some cheese on top. And then here is this wonderful pasta that I made. I'll definitely be throwing cheese on this because it's pasta. So yeah, simple, easy, something that'll save well in bulk. All the ingredients soak up the tomato sauce, and for me personally, when I'm meal prepping, I like to keep in mind how it's gonna taste 3 days later, because I hate cooking veggies or like just straight up rice and then trying to heat it up in like 3 or 4 days, because it just doesn't taste right. But this can last like a whole 7 days and it'll still taste good, and it'll be filling, it's healthy, you have vegetables, protein, carbs, and yeah, so try it out, let me know if you like it. And voila, that's the finished product.
Vietnam.
And this is the other dish I told you I would make. It's with the rice, the cheese. I put ketchup, I love ketchup. RuPaul in the background, but yeah.
I think most
That's it.
queens would
Cost
think
effect-
that
cost effective,
she's just pretty. What else can
delicious,
she do? But
semi-healthy, I guess.
20 money.